Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to duplicate disaster relief packages in Dying Light on Xbox. First, you'll need at least one disaster relief package. You can find these at airdrop locations or specific spots like the Stuffed Turtle Quarantine Zone. Next, gather a substantial stack of a common item, like lockpicks or metal parts, ideally several hundred or more. Finally, make sure you're connected to the internet. An Ethernet cable makes the next step much simpler. Now, let's prepare your inventory and stash. Move all but one of your disaster relief packages into your personal stash. Keep that single package in your inventory. Crucially, ensure your large stack of common items, like those lockpicks, remains in your inventory as well. Head to any safe zone with a stash, open it, and hover your cursor over that high-quantity item in your inventory. This setup is key for the next, precise step. Here's the core of the glitch. With your high-stack item highlighted in your inventory, press X to transfer it to your stash. The moment the transfer quantity box appears, quickly pull out your Ethernet cable. As an error message pops up, immediately press X again. If timed correctly, you'll be able to move your cursor while the transfer box is still open. Now, navigate to your single disaster relief package and press Y to transfer it. You should see it multiply in your stash. Once you've successfully duplicated, simply repeat the process to amass as many disaster relief packages as you need. Turn these into any quartermaster to rapidly boost your survivor and legend levels. For even faster progression, play on Nightmare difficulty and equip the Winter Warrior outfit, which grants a 20% experience bonus. You'll need at least 6,000 packages to reach the maximum legend level of 250, unlocking powerful abilities and making you a true force in Harran.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.